We encourage you to find available charging stations with Google Maps built into your car, which is designed to provide the best charging options in your route. You can either search for a charger near you or a charger you are familiar with by tapping the charging icon. You can also simply navigate to your final destination and allow Google to plan your route with available chargers along the way. The estimated state of charge and time needed to charge at the charging station are all incorporated into the route. Just enter your final destination and Google Maps will show you when, where, and estimated time to charge. When a DC fast charging station is set as a destination, the car will automatically precondition the battery. This helps ensure the most efficient charging speed and is the best for the battery's health. And since Google is built in, you can enjoy an array of content with your Google account while your car is charging. The available apps can be viewed in Google Play Store and downloaded to the car.